Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Brian, and today we are going to show you how to set up a Windows installation media, in particular one on this USB drive right here. So what you're going to need is an internet connection, a computer of some sort, Windows preferably, and then you're going to also need at least an 8 gigabyte flash drive. So what you're going to do to start, you're going to plug in your flash drive. Keep in mind, you cannot have anything on this flash drive at all. So if you do have anything on the flash drive, you're going to have to get rid of it. This one is already empty and it's prepared. But if yours is not, what you're going to want to do is right click on the flash drive, hit format, and then you're going to want to format your flash drive in a FAT32 file system. So you just do that, hit start, and then it'll give you a warning saying it's going to clear all the data off. Hit OK, and after a few seconds, your drive will be ready for creating the Windows creation tool. So hit OK, exit out of this, and then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to head on over to whatever browser you like to use, Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, whatever it is. Just type in Windows 10 creation tool, the first one right here. And then you're going to go to Microsoft's website right here. And you're going to be looking for this Create Windows 10 Installation Media. It says Download Tool Now. Go ahead and click on it. Hit Save File. It's going to take a second to download. And then we're going to open the file. It's going to ask you for permission. Hit Yes. And then hold on one second. Boom. This is what's going to pop up. So now that this pops up, you're going to want to follow the instructions on here, which we'll go over in just a second as we kind of wait. All right, so then the terms of service are going to pop up right here. You can go ahead and read through it, and then you're going to want to hit accept. Now the software is actually preparing for the installation tool to be created. Okay, so once this pops up, it's going to ask you what you want to do. We're not trying to upgrade this PC. We're trying to create an installation media, and we're doing it specifically on a flash drive. So click on that and hit next. And then these settings can stay the same. You don't have to change anything on these. If you have an older system, you might want to use like a 32-bit, but I mean, you would have to have a much older system. So you're going to hit use the recommended setting, just leave it as is, and it's perfectly fine. Hit next again. And then for our particular case, we're going to be using a USB flash drive. You can download the ISO and then burn that onto a CD, but this way is much easier, and most of us don't even have CD drives or DVD drives, so it doesn't even matter. So you're just going to hit next, and then your drive should pop up right here. If it doesn't pop up, it's probably because there's a couple different ways. Either one, you didn't format it beforehand, or two, you have it plugged into a port that's not a USB port that's not supported on your system. So you might need to find a USB 2 port on the back of your motherboard. All right, so then once yours pops up, all you're going to hit is next. And then it's going to prepare itself, and it's going to go through. It's going to download Windows 10, and then it's going to install it and prepare your flash drive to become a installation tool. It takes quite a bit of time, so go ahead, let it run through, and then in like 10 minutes when it's completed, we'll come back and I'll show you what you need to do to finish it up. Okay, so now as you can see, your USB flash drive is ready. All you're gonna do is smack finish. It's gonna take a second to do that, and then all you really need to do is then plug this into the computer that you want to actually install Windows on, and it'll come up as a boot drive so that you can go into Windows installation, and then you can go through and install it from there. If you're interested in how to actually install Windows onto your PC, I do have a how to build a PC video coming out in the next couple of days, and we will be going step by step how to actually do the installation process from there. But I felt like adding this into that video would make the video a little bit too long, so I wanted to do it separately. So that's that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, but let me know why in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching today, and until next time, I will see you later.